Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba sneu bhalang Dhar hene kasi habaya keren Halor kamat kabaya dei bat kajing penkendria ya kitu kiba Shong hathem yo maulong ulong baka sorkar kaladon kajing temu ban penlong ya Jingïalang uba Dhar ulong baha Taiew ba Khatduh jong mentau benai kin sa Shong Jingïalang bat na kaliang kajong uladap betha ya ki officer katnat bakin yo ya kakai phot na kitnat ba pher kane Jingïalang kan long shwa bat kitnat sorkar bat hadien kata kin sakhot ya kitu ki basong basa hathem yo maulong shu uba sneu bhalang ulong ba ula betha ya ki officer ban lum ya baro ki kai phot na katnat kai phot hapdeng kitnat sorkar bat ki harjan koloni bat kai phot hapdeng ka sorkar harjan bat katnat sipai bakin saya kendu Taiew ba Khatduh jong mentau benai usembut Menteri Rangba ulong ba kani kamat kadei kabalaslam bat namar kadei kabalaslam kimla asyu ban syurai kirki hinre ka sorkar katrang ban penbet ya kani kajing
Yeah, the status for that, we already plan to have meetings maybe last week of the month. I already coordinate with my officer, with my department to get update all the latest report from different part of the department or from the defense everything. We'll be having a meeting on the relocation of the thing in the last part of August.
So this meeting will be held with the
It should be. No,
meeting?
only between the department first, and then we will call the people from that camps.
And what is the response of the defense ministry on the?
No, that's why I told them to collect all the report in details, the reports within the departments, and the report between the departments and the Harijan colony, and the report between the Harijan, the governments, and the defense land, and be able to know. So I told them be ready everything. So last part of this August we'll be having meeting about this issue.
But don't you think that this issue, is long pending now?
Yeah, it's an issue is long pending, of course. So that's why we are trying. But since long pending issue is not so easy to say immediately, but we are trying our best to solve it.